The average artist paints flowers on canvases. I paint flowers on flowers. They look different. Just look at this luscious yellow. Am I looking into the sun? So relaxing. Next color? I'm surely not a cat, but is this milk? Wow. Let's work our magic now. Let's go. Done. I want to leave a mark on this earth. Wow, it's so beautiful. Like the poet said, another one. Don't be shy, put some more. Wow, it's perfect. But something is surely missing. I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty for art. It's the perfect combination. Time to create my masterpiece. Let's go. Just because I have paint on my face doesn't mean I'm a football fan. Ooh, I'm shining like a star. Oh, I see opportunities where others see a mess. Oh no, I need something. Everything in its right place. Cleaning time. It's like magic. Done. Huh? Wait a second. Oh no, it's t-shirt. I need to fix it now. No, I'm not going to eat it. Just watch. It's a spaghetti technique. I can admit that. Getting a little hungry, not gonna lie. It's your turn. Put the hair tie around it like that. More the better. Wow, you look like a little flower. Let's go for a bath, little flower. Hope you're good at scuba diving. Am I beautiful or what? Okay, we're almost ready to see the result. Ooh, my favorite color. It's like a more girly version of ketchup. Why am I still thinking about food? It's coming up so nicely. I can feel the flower aroma in the air. Woohoo! Done. Time to dry it. No, big boy, you had your fun. Time to do the real work now. Things are definitely getting steamy. Hippie vibes. Love is in the air. Wow, it's the best t-shirt ever! Oh, I'm so cool. What is that? This feels like my Persian cat. So fluffy. You're so soft. Wow, this inspires me. My favorite color. These hats bring the Picasso in me so much. I'm getting a little worried about my ears. Look at that! Now let me grab my glue gun. Next step. Adding all the pieces of the puzzle together. I'm always carrying my glue gun with me. You never know. Nice. Let me see now. Wow, it's so perfect. What do we have in here? Gimme, gimme. Wow, what is this? I can use it. Oh, cool. Wanna see a magic trick? I'm a magician now. Ooh, let's go. I got the handle on this thing. Wow, so cool. This one is in the bag, literally. Does the zipper work? Wow. Oh, come with me, little man. You will be safe here, I promise. Wow, so cool. Ooh, what is that? This gets my creative juices flowing. Look at this, guys. I know what to do. Let's go. I'm the sharpest tool in the shed. That's why I always come up with these amazing hacks. I'm not cleaning here afterwards. Just to be clear. I'm seeing double. Let's try. We have the whole squad here. And now we're gonna have a little team building activity. Pants that stick together, paint together. That's totally not a thing people say, but whatever. I'm a trendsetter. Now let's give it a little push so the glue does its job. Okay, just like that. A marvelous gadget. Wow, perfect for my hair. Just don't run with this thing on. Wow, so beautiful. What is this? Oh, wow, I want it. Wow, bingo with that Lego set. Very nice. I got an idea. That goes right in the middle. I'm so strong. Brick by brick, I'm building my future. This goes in here. Don't you like the magic of editing? Let's see. Good thing my glue gun still has ammo. It's like my creativity. Unlimited. Okay, let's bring these two together. They belong to each other. Do you see what we have here? Something marvelous. However, let's not celebrate prematurely. We still have some work to do. They have to be perfectly aligned or my OCD won't leave me alone. Now watch me apply glue again. Yay! Quality time with the viewer. Wow, look at this guy jiggle. Don't play with the work items, Emily. You're a professional. Wow! It works! Not like I had any doubts about my craftsmanship. We're almost done here. I'm going to Milano Fashion Week with this bag. A collaboration with Ye is also coming. Stay tuned. Just look at that! I have outdone myself! I'm so happy right now! It is also an actual functional bag, not only for show. It's also perfect for my outfit. Wow, I want to put something in. Let me scan a bit the scene. You. Ooh, what is that? You come here. Well, you woke up and chose violence. Channeling my inner She-Hulk. I'm not done here. 2 hands. You won't beat me. Oh, I'm doing it. Is this some kind of magic trick again? Ouch! My head. What is it? Wow, it's a t-shirt. Wait a second. I think I'm onto something here. I know what to do. Vellum paper and sandpaper. That's the duo you didn't know you wanted. Now look at what I have in store for you. Do you recognize this guy? I think he's kind of famous or something. Wow, this is so fun! I have always wanted to be an artist and a wood craftsman. Well, this is like the middle point. We're almost done here. That is my catchphrase from now on. Wow, this is my favorite character. This is why I want to put him on a t-shirt. Call me Iron Woman because I am literally saving the universe with my hacks. Oh, we're almost done. Hold your breath. Woohoo! Wow, I look so cool! Wow, perfect color! What is this? Why is it so boring? I have to surely do something about it. Can you give me a hand? Wow! Let's try. Actually, do or do not. There's no try. That was once said by Master Yoda. Speaking of him, here's a good color option. Let's add some more. We're not shy or anything. And some tape. Gotta be precise with my movements now. You know the drill by now, don't you? So glossy. Perfect. Wow, you're so cute. Yes, you the viewer, I'm talking to you. Don't freak out. I know what I'm doing here. Cover it all in black. Yep, exactly like that. Yay! Ready? Just a few finishing touches here. Oh, that is surely awesome. Be careful with the blade. I don't want any injuries. We have come too far for things like this. A little heart for you. This even exceeds my expectations. Let's marvel together. Wow, you're so cool. Oh no! What do you see here? Are you ready for a Rorschach test? Wow, it looks like… let me think. Exactly! This will blow you away. It's so efficient and cool. This is like an intro for a chilling sci-fi series. It's coming to get you. My whole family tree will be proud of me for this one. Thank you. And some color. This is getting better with every minute of it. Black and pink? Who said emo culture is not relevant anymore? Avril Lavigne is with me right now. Literally, she's behind the camera. Look at this blooming excellence. Wow! Mom would be proud of me. Very cool. This hair. What is this?
3D pen.
I wish there was a label or something. I definitely have an idea. 3D pens. That sounded so sci-fi a couple of years ago. Just ask your mom. I hope you're having fun because I surely am. Now you have to see through me, making a thicker outline. Good news, I'm done. Shine bright like whatever these things are. Wow, so beautiful. Let's use the old glue gun for one last time. Come on. Let's bring these things together now. You are getting the gist of it. I'm sure you have recognized the shape by now. Wow, so cute! This will keep my hair calm. Wow! I'm going to own Instagram with this. Yay! So
Maybe I can use colored pencils for this. Here we go. Now let's draw a… Maybe it needs a bit of water. I have a good feeling about this. Let's give it a try. Let's draw a big mouth like Huggy Wuggy. This side is tricky. It has to look the same as the other side. Perfect. Now, foundation. Ew! So filthy! It's too dirty, but I know a hack. Voila! Perfect! Now we need some blue face paint. Exactly what I need. Now all we have to do is paint my face blue like Huggy Wuggy. One last touch. Done. Next step is lipstick. Oh, look at this fabulous red lipstick. I have to be very precise here. Perfect. Now, we need some scary teeth. Ow! So sharp. Okay. And the eyes. I'm ready to look. Excellent, but now I need a blue wig. Let's see. What do we have in here? I had a clean one? What else? And a brush. I see you. Yeah. It's white. Okay, I need to dye it. I know exactly what to do. But first, I need to find My sparkly box! Hello, you! Yeah! I found this trick on TikTok when I wanted to dye my own hair. Isn't this the coolest trick ever? Now, let's hit the wig and see if it works. Just a few dips. Ta-da! Magic spin! Woo! Let's take some pictures. Post it. Oh, look, I'm famous already. I knew that. Oh, let's remove that. Now, let's remove this makeup. Now, this is an easy way to clean your face. And create art at the same time. Ew! Oh boy. Bin.